Hi guys, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the application process for that of the University of Pavia. So what you should take note of is the University of Pavia is currently open, but then it has about 5 calls. So it is open now, it will open again in that of January, and then it will open again. So take note of the application process. Okay, so when you come onto the portal, I already have a video where I explain all that you need to know about studying at the University of Pavia. There are so many opportunities at this university for international students, so please check that video out before you go on ahead and send in the application process. So when you come, you're going to select this academic year, English, and then you search for the program. So these are the programs available. So I'm going to apply for, I already have a program in mind, a program that is in line with my previous qualifications. So I'm just going to go to it. Okay, so I'm going to apply for this program, Master's Program in Economics, Development and Innovation. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Then it will bring you here. So you read all of the details. It's 35 euro per program. 35 euros per program. So that's what you need to take note of. So you can see like all the requirements and everything. Yeah, so you read all the requirements. It's a double degree and everything. But then I'm going to go on ahead directly to apply. Okay, the tuition fee is 400 euros. So you can see here the university needs an Excel file to be completed with all exams from your transcript divided into group according to different subject areas specified in the file. You have to download the file here. Okay, but then let me start the application process and then we'll talk more about it there. Okay, so I come here. This is it, and then I'm going to go on ahead and I'm only going with this choice. Okay, if you like, you can add other choices, but then you remember the application fee is 30 euro per program. So I'm going to go to next. Then I'm going to fill all of these details. So at this section, you can see, how do you intend to finance your period of study in Pavia? So you can see here. So here I'm going to write, so you write what applies to you. So here they say refund information. Please note that all refunds will be charged on the applicant's bank account. So I'm supposed to include that of your bank details here. So that if there's any form of refund, they are going to send it there. I click on next. And from here, I'm going to go to the next page. So here you're going to fill that of details of education. So university education and that of secondary education as well. So let's go. If there's something you want to include at the employment section, like details on your employer, company, type of business, occupation, and everything, then you can add the details. But then for me, I would leave it blank. Okay, so I'll leave it blank. Then I'll move to next. Then at the document section, you're going to add everything at the checklist section. So let's just move to next. Then other, Here is information source. So okay, so you can choose family or friends. Then here, if you found the information through my channel, right, Royal on YouTube channel. Okay, then you move to next. Then we come to the checklist section where we are going to do all of the work. Okay, so here, study title. Please confirm that your study title has been obtained outside of Italy. Otherwise, in the case you have an Italian, okay, I've obtained my study title outside of Italy. Okay, then you come here. You're going to upload. Once it's uploaded, you click on your CV. Once it's uploaded, you click on this. Then you come your official university's transcript and diploma supplement, if available, and bachelor degree or diploma if available. So here you can see they've written everything that you need to know. We need to know more about your academic achievement. Please provide us with a complete and clear records of subjects. So please ensure that you read everything before. Please ensure that here you're supposed to upload both your transcript and your bachelor's and diploma supplement. So ensure that you add it in the same file and upload it. I forgot. Okay, so I've uploaded mine. So I'll click on. Okay. Then here Excel file. Okay. Here you are supposed to include the exams grouped by subject area. So you're going to download the file here, all exams you've taken. Then this is it. So this is how the Excel file looks like. Okay, so you write your name, surname, your date of birth, your country, bachelor degree name, your university name, your GPA average, if you have that of the internationally recognized certificate. You're going to indicate if other certificate that of medium instruction, then you're going to include that. You're going to state that. Here you're supposed to report all exams you took during your bachelor's degree, and then you're supposed to indicate out of a maximum grade possible. So example 80 out of 100. That's an example. So credits and the number of study hours, grouping them where possible by the following 4 areas: economics, business and management, quantitative methods, law, computer science, English language, and everything. So you're supposed to go through the areas of economics. You state it here. Then you come down. That of the areas of business and management, you're going to include the study hours, the credits, and then the grade. Okay, you're supposed to also specify the maximum grade possible. Okay, then you come down. Then we go to the area of quantitative methods area. Okay, then you're going to state all exams that you took in that area. Then law exams, private law, commercial law, constitutional law. You include all of that here as well. And then you are going to computer science, English language exams, and any other fields that you need to fill that is relevant to your previous studies. Okay, so after you're done filling this, then you will go back onto the site and then you upload it here. Okay, so I'm just going to upload it in any file. Upload the file that they are requesting. Okay, so you have to convert your file into PDF and then you upload it. Then you click on this, then you come here, payment of the application fee. Okay, we'll do that later. Permit, residence permit. Okay, so you are going to choose I've applied for, okay, have an Italian, I do not have an Italian residence permit for study residence, and I will apply once I arrive in Italy. And do not need, okay. Okay, so you're going to choose this. I do not have an Italian residence permit for study reasons, and I will apply for it once I arrive in Italy. Okay, then that is it. express your preference for the curriculum you wish to apply for. So the program I've chosen, they have that of the curriculum in that of industrial organization and innovation, and then they have another curriculum in international development and economic policy. So I'll have to choose one of them. So I will go with this industrial organization and innovation. Then proof of English language, I'm going to go here. I do not need to take a language test. I've taken a degree course entirely in English. I've registered for a language test. Okay, I've uploaded an English language certificate and I've passed an English language exam in my previous studies. I've passed at least 3 credits of English language and I thought, okay, I have taken a language test and no. I'm going to go for, I do not need to take a language test because I have a degree. I've taken a degree course entirely in English. Okay, we are supposed to upload. So here you are supposed to upload that of the, so here you're supposed to upload the document from the university attesting that you did your, you had your studies in English. Okay, then I'm going to click, no, I'm going to click on, okay, I'm going to click on this, then this, then you can see all of the fields have been filled except that of the application, payment of the application. So for you to pay the application fee, so you can see for that of the application fee, you will receive an email. I've already received an email giving you all the details that you need to follow to pay the application fee. So that is what you have to use. You follow the guidelines through your email, you pay the fee, and then the system is waiting for your payment. So it will automatically recognize it, and then you'll be able to, you know, submit the application. So once that is solved, you can, you know, click on submit and submit your application. Before we move on, I'd like to share with you, if you would like to work with us at Admiral Education Consult, then you can reach out to us. Our services focuses on helping you with university applications, scholarship applications, guidance around visa and everything. So you can obviously reach out to us. We have that of ebooks and courses for students that intend to do the applications themselves. So that is something that you can also take a look at. So if you want to work with us, you can reach out to us. If you want to do the applications yourself, but then you want an expert guidance, then we highly recommend you to go for that of our course, Study in Italy with Full Scholarship course. Okay, so to know more about the course, you come onto our website and then you just click here, and then it takes you to that of our course. You can check out that of our ebook on any of our platforms, basically. So that is it for this video. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.